Hey guys, welcome back to DBIT Insights. This is a fun experiment that we in the council are been doing for a while. The kind of response that we got from the previous episode gave us the confidence to do something personal and wanky this time around.
The whole idea behind DBIT Insights is to portray the different experiences and opportunity that DBIT caters. Due to this virtual semester, we didn't get a chance to interact with the first years. So this episode is solely dedicated to all the first years out there and the amount of electricity that they bring to college.
Hi, my name is Sasha. I'm from the comms department. I try my hand on anything and everything that catches my interest, but some of my main hobbies are singing, art of any kind, and sports.
Greetings, everybody. My name is Muhammad, and harboring a keen interest in oratory competitions and football as well, I am an aspiring first year IT student in DBI.
Hi everyone, this is Shalin. I hail from Nagpur. I am from EXCC branch, and my interests are mainly quizzing and football.
So hello, my name is Noel Montero, and I'm from comms department, computer engineering. Basically, my personality, I would say, is I'm a jack of all trades kind of person. So I choose to be good at everything rather than be a master of one thing.
I'm from computer branch first year. My hobbies are listening songs and reading books. My personality is a little bit shy and a little bit outgoing.
I'm Grace. I'm from comms and I like singing. I may not be the best at singing, but I like singing. I love listening to music, watching movies, and playing basketball.
So hi, my name is Simran Aivale and I am from FE Mech. I like to drive, rifle shooting, playing cricket, basketball, singing, and all the other co-curricular stuff.
Hey there, here Ravina from EXTC. I have got various interests in dance forms such as Bharatnatyam and Kathak.
Hey, I'm Dasha from EXCC branch, and I really like singing, dancing, and acting stuff. I'm really into it. And also, I have a YouTube channel, and I'm a digital creator, and I create YouTube videos, YouTube content, and like that stuff.
Hi, my name is Ganesh. I'm from EXTC. Straight to my hobbies. I like to watch sports, which I definitely do play.
Hey, hi. My name is Gaurav Sankhe. I am a student of Don Bosco Institute of Technology, and I am studying first year engineering from EXTC department. My hobbies are to play football.
Well, according to me, one of the major differences in school and college life would be the manner in which the students are treated. Like, for example, in the school life, we were repeatedly told by a lot of teachers that we are adults and we have some responsibilities to fulfill. But we never got the chance to exercise those responsibilities in the first place. I mean, at the end of the day, every decision and every choice we made was monitored by authorities, more or less. In college, that is not actually happening as of now. We are actually recognized as young adults, and our choices are being respected, according to me.
School, we are expected to be good in academics, and that's why we are not much into extracurricular. But as soon as we enter in college, we get to know about many clubs, events, and other activities that can help to shape our personality. So that's a good thing about college life.
When I woke up every day to go to school, I had to look at myself in the mirror and know like I didn't want to be there because every day the same thing, like the same syllabus. You're like, it's just grown up and you're just like doing the same thing again and again. What the seniors have done, and it's a grind. Nothing else, nothing to gain from it. So when I came to college, I already had hopes for it. Like I wanted to like be able to express myself, and from day one, it's been absolutely amazing. So like whatever I expected, it's been there. The college is basically allowing you to like be yourself. That's what I understand from it, and excel in fields apart from academics if you want to. That's what.
I've heard that the dance club, uh, whenever we have any event around the corner, they prepare for a flash mob. So they choreograph this whole dance routine and they perform in the canteen with cute speakers. And yeah, I'm just really excited to see it in person.
Interesting thing is कि canteen का खाना is good. Like I want to try canteen food.
Interesting thing तो like ड्रामा क्लब में जब मैंने सुना कि वहां पर वी कैन गो फॉर लाइक आईआईटी खड़गपुर एंड थिंग्स सो वो वाला मुझे लाइक इज द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग एंड आई एम लाइक अप फॉर ड्रामास ऑफ कोर्स सो वही सबसे ज्यादा मुझे इंटरेस्टिंग लगा एंड weirdest I haven't heard because I haven't been in college till now so yeah
मैं यहाँ पे टेक्नोलॉजी पढ़ने आया हूँ. आई वुड लाइक टू एम्ब्रेस एंड लर्न टेक्नोलॉजी एंड I want a stage to express myself, want to explore things, and that is what I like to do in DBIT, and that is what my expectations are from DBIT.
Expectations from DBIT are that I don't only want to be academically good, but also I want to be, but also I want that my personality should be also good, so that after my college gets over, I can prepare myself and my personality ahead, so that I can explore my more opportunities ahead in my life. And I think that with the help of DBIT, I can achieve it.
I expect the canteen food to be good. No, I'm kidding. Anyways, okay. So there's so much that I want to experience in DBIT. I want to take part in events, get out of my shell, build my confidence. I want to meet new people. I'm excited to meet new people from like different backgrounds and places. And DBIT has so many clubs. I've already joined a few. Yeah, I want to learn how to code well and take part in programs and competitions. And I used to play basketball in 11th. So, but then I stopped. So I'm looking forward to getting back. They have like a huge basketball court. So yeah.
I expect from DBIT to give me a platform to excel and to participate at national levels and to give me a good surrounding and vicinity.
It's been amazing, honestly. The campus is beautiful. The building, the architecture, the ground, the court, even the canteen and the garden. And the teachers are really supportive. They're very understanding. They're always ready to help. At least the ones that I know are always there to answer you if you have any questions.
Well, again, it has only been a month since I have joined the college and everything is happening virtually. But again, I participated in Hysteria, the debate specifically. And again, the Oxford style debates are not what I'm acquainted with. But the literary art heads there made it quite familiar and they had quite an efficient coordination with us. This made us possess the willingness to participate more in Hysteria.
DBIT has been very welcoming, the teachers as well as the seniors. And because of the current unfortunate situation, we haven't been able to experience on-campus learning. So yeah, that's been unfortunate. And like learning online has been difficult for us as well as the teachers, but I like it so far. And like the stories my seniors have told me about DBIT are very promising, and I know I'll be enjoying my 4 years here in DBIT.
The time I've spent, you can say, on and off the campus, the college is unreal. I would say, if someone tells you this place is like the absolute best place to be, like I would skip staying at home and sleeping on the bed. Like that's my favorite thing to do. I would skip that and go to college because that place actually has that kind of energy to it. Like the moment you step in there, it just gives into you. Like it absolutely like grows on you. You can say, like I've not even been there and it just already grown on me. The seniors are absolutely chill. Like from the day of the orientation, I understood that these seniors actually wanted to be your friends rather than want to guide you or something. They were guiding us while being a part of us. Like they were a part of our journey. I felt that from the orientation day itself, and I believe that if the seniors can make that kind of bond with someone without actually meeting them, there's nothing to say, man. This college is definitely a dream, and I really love being here.